Come here, buddy. we need to find something else that he wants.
Yeah, he already got that. He's over it.
He's like, alright.
Oh! No, he's not!
Yeah! Oh!
Yay! Yay!
Good job, buddy! You're getting the hang of it. Yeah! Whoop! You slid. You can do it, buddy.
He did it. He did it for real.
Yeah, I know. I saw it. And I got it on video, too.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting into the drawers now.
Do you not use this?
No, that's the priming sugar for the
Oh, for the
kit that
bottle.
I got, yeah. Yeah, each kit comes with its own priming sugar. Hey, what's up, dude?
You got tons of these caps.
I know, I don't have any bottles that use those caps. And I don't have a bottle capper either. I don't know, that'd be kind of cool to make bottles like that.
You got lots of caps.
Yeah.
I think they're only like $20 or something.